Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to free up storage on Android phone without deleting the application. So let's get started. First of all, go to your settings app on your Android phone. Then you have to find app settings. You have to scroll your screen until you find it. Just tap on the app settings, and if you want to free up your storage, you have to delete the app data or the app cache. And for example, I'm going to delete the app cache and also app data from CapCut. So just tap on CapCut, then click on storage right here. Then you can choose either you want to clear the data or you want to clear the cache. And clearing the app data will reset an app to its default state. It makes your app acts like when you first download the application. And I'm just going to clear the data. So just click on clear data right here, then click on OK. Alright guys, if you clear the data, the cache will automatically delete it, and you have to remember that clearing the data will reset your application to its default state. Okay guys, and that's how we can free up our storage on Android phone without deleting the app. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.